Hey there! So, let's tackle this interesting problem together. The issue at hand revolves around filtering a data frame based on specific string values within columns starting with catalog. It's a common scenario where you need to extract relevant information from a dataset without knowing the exact columns to look into. Now, diving into the solution provided earlier, it's a clever approach using pandas functionalities to efficiently handle the task. The code snippet initializes a data frame with sample data and defines search criteria for the target strings, cat1 and cat1. By applying a lambda function to filter rows containing any of the search strings in columns resembling catalog, the script effectively isolates the desired rows. Lastly, the filter data frame is printed to display the results. In essence, the solution elegantly addresses the problem of searching for specific strings across varying catalog columns within a data frame. By leveraging pandas capabilities, the code streamlines the filtering process, making it easier to extract relevant information efficiently. So, give it a try in your own projects and streamline your data processing tasks. And remember, pandas is your ally in data wrangling adventures. Alright folks, feel free to subscribe for more content like this. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!